very exciting.
Yeah.
Anthony, can you?
Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, you can see his pleats. Oh my
Roly-poly rolly.
Cameras in the water.
Cameras
In the water.
That's for sure.
Get in there, girl.
Holy
Oh
cow.
my gosh. Oh, careful. Oh, it's gorgeous. Is that the mom underneath?
And this, Camille, the escort too.
Right here. Right here.
Yeah.
See it?
Alright.
You guys okay?
Oh my god.
This is a dry snorkel.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh.
They know we're here.
And he's right below us. I see him down there.
The baby's laying on top of the mom.
Yep.
Hi, Mom. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
I can't get the camera far out enough. I can't.
Even though we're not zooming. She is right, the little baby's right on top of her.
Oh,
You get on this end?
He's dancing around.
Showing off.
Trying to get you all the way.
Thank you. And wait for the show.
It makes you feel
She's
like
circling back around.
Yeah.
I want
What is that called? Spy hook?
yeah.
Come on, baby.
I don't think my camera can see that far, but it could when they were closer, I'm sure.
Yeah, here she comes.
The cap is still right on the back, and the escort's down below.
Oh my God.
Right
this
here,
is
he's coming up.
Maybe
This
they
is
challenge
just
us.
out.
They're so relaxed. They're like that.
It's like